Having a day on the 928, and the really unusual bit is not only is it a manual gearbox, it's done 60 odd thousand miles, and it's got some incredibly interesting long-term previous ownership. Think McLaren. So that's 7 of the 8 intake pipes off.
350.
Right. Just need to do one more, and then we're ready to get them soda blasted. So that's number 8 done. So that's plenum chamber, 8 intake pipes, all off, ready to go and be sandblasted and to look pretty again. We've got the spider off, or the plenum chamber, whatever you call it. We've got all the inlet pipes off now. Next step is I just want to see what the cam belt looks like. We have been told it has had a recent cam belt change, but I need to see it for myself to be sure.
And then my learned colleague Jason decided that he was going to come along and help.
Why?
I don't know, but let me go. Facelift, that sort of a
Look at my bonnet. You know, a video in like an MG midget, right? But have it just down low, like that, with your face going up.
It's actually sort of mistaken. I've got one of those bulldog clips. I'm just going to nip it up at the back. Right. Okay. Come on. We need to crack on now.
Right.
Let's get
Stop
these
messing
up.
about.
Stop messing about. We've got work to do. Oh, we've got the wrong side. Oh no, I've not. So we've definitely got a new belt, we've definitely got a shiny new idler, we've definitely got a new water pump and a new tensioner. So we're pleased it's had the full hit. We don't need to do anything with that. We are obviously going to get all the bits we've taken off soda blasted. We're going to give it a full mechanical recommission. First protocol is always the belts, so that's obviously why we wanted to check those today. This is going to make a fantastic car. It's not going to take us long to do it. So these can go back on again. All is well underneath these.